How to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar and search for Roblox support. So here you'll be able to see different options. Now you just need to tap on the option of Roblox support or help.roblox.com. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of I need help with my account. So tap on it. As you do that, scroll down again and here you can see the option of logging in. So I'm going to select on I forgot my password. So it will give us various options on how you can recover your password using phone number or different other options. So we're just going to directly go down and tap on this option of need more help, contact support here. As you do that, what it does is it takes us to a new page, and here it will give us this contact us option. So you just have to enter your username, your first name, email address, and confirm your email address over here. You have to mention what device are you having the problem on. So you just have to tap on it and select the device, type of help category. So you can just select on the option of account hacked or can't log in, and then as you do that, tap on description of issue and just describe your issue over here. And then tap and continue, and the team of Roblox will definitely get back to you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.